how to delete PayPal account. Deleting a PayPal account is a straightforward process, but it's important to ensure that all transactions are completed and that you've removed any linked financial details before proceeding. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to permanently delete your PayPal account. If you want a record of your transaction history, download it before deleting your account, as you won't have access to this information afterward. Open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Log into your account using your email address and password. Once logged in, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen to access your account settings. In the Account Settings section, click on Account Preferences link or button. In the Account Preferences, in front of Account Type, click on Close Account. PayPal may ask you to confirm your identity for security purposes. This could involve entering a code sent to your phone or email. Then click on Continue to confirm the closure. Remember, once your account is closed, you cannot reopen it. If you need PayPal services again in the future, you'll have to create a new account. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.